That was one of the things that really shocked me when I came back, because before I started on all of this, I had grown up pretty much in the scientific culture of the 20th century, what's called reductive materialism. And I was a card-toting member of that reductive materialist scientific community. That's kind of the conventional wisdom that's out there in science. And yet I will tell you, there are a lot of scientists around the world who realize that when you start getting into the mystery of consciousness, which in essence is the only thing any one of us truly knows exists, is our own consciousness. And we believe that there's this external world out there, the material realm. And that's the realm that materialist science will try and tell you is the thing that exists. But it's really right at the heart of the deep enigma of quantum mechanics that our modern science has wrestled with for more than a century now, trying to understand. And basically what the results of those experiments have been screaming for our attention is that consciousness is primary and fundamental in the existence of this universe. And that is a very important thing to understand. And it also has to do with the whole question of the relationship of the brain and the mind-body discussion, which is basically a discussion that's been going on for more than 2,600 years. You'd think we'd be getting a little closer to an answer. Well, in fact, I think we are getting closer. But one thing my journey showed me very, very clearly is human brain and mind will never have a complete understanding of the workings of that creator and of this universe. But that doesn't get away from the point that by being conscious beings, we have access to far grander knowledge than I ever could have imagined before. And that's because we have access to infinite underlying universal consciousness, which is something we can get to through deep prayer, meditation, many different ways to get there. And that's something else that I'll get into in detail.